Hey, what's up guys? This is the YADEA KS3 Lite. It's a very affordable electric scooter. It's the cheapest one that I've reviewed. I'm very curious to know how well this is going to do. So I'm going to unbox this thing and I'm going to take it out for a review. So let's just jump straight in. So this thing is, again, retails for $370. It goes up to 15.6 miles an hour. It is a short commuter scooter with up to 12 miles of range. And it has a 300 watt motor with a maximum power of 500 watts. Okay, so I got the green version, but there are also two other colors, the yellow and the pink version, but it comes nicely packaged. Comes with the power adapter, which is the AC to DC converter. That's your plug, and this is the extension for that. Comes with the manual and the warranty card and stuff. And it comes with the Allen wrench and some screws. And here's the charging port. To fold the scooter, you just push this red button down and you unclip this, so I'm basically going to do it with one hand. And then you can lift it, and it's pretty light. It's 30 or 31 pounds or something. Pull that up, bring that down, and you're done. So we have drum brakes, bell. This is the clip for the back when you're folding it. Hold to power on. Press once. Changes the modes to walking mode, normal, sport, and press it again and it cycles through. Double tap turns on the lights. Double tap again turns it off. Triple tap goes to metric units. Triple tap goes back to imperial. Hold to power off and throttle. Alright guys, just got back from my ride. According to my GoPro, I was gone for about 40 minutes or so, and I actually went with the full battery, and now that I'm back, the battery is blinking right here. So I did a range test without even realizing I was doing one, but unfortunately I didn't have my GPS tracking app on, so I can't say for sure how long I went. But if I had to take a very rough guess, I'm gonna say I went around 6 miles or so for someone that weighs around 205 pounds. So the fact is that for a scooter of this price range, I was honestly not expecting much, because this is by far the cheapest scooter that I've reviewed, and it's definitely, how do I put this? Surprised me, and in a good way. And the reason is because I wasn't expecting much out of the scooter. I kind of like the way it looks. I like that neon color and stuff. So, and I like the fact that this deck part is long, because for your foot placement, it's very comfortable for your foot placement. So aside from that, I was like, yeah, it's probably gonna struggle up the hills. It might not even take me up the hills, and I'm not really expecting too much out of it. I'm thinking, like, you know, compared to some of the other ones that I have. But it honestly did a pretty good job. It took me up the hills. I mean, it did slow down, so but again, I am 205 pounds, so I don't expect it to like fly up the hills. So it did take me up there. It did slow down. The brakes are fine. Acceleration is fine. On the downhills, I went faster than the 15.6 or 16 miles an hour that it can go. So I think I got up to 19 or 20. Then I started holding the brakes just so if cars were coming, I could stop in time and stuff. But the brakes are fine. The bell's cool. And yeah, in terms of ride comfort, it is more on the bumpy side. If you're on smooth asphalt, you're gonna be fine, but in terms of if you go on rougher asphalts, you will tend to feel it a bit more, and only because you don't have pneumatic tires and you don't have shocks. But the advantage of not having pneumatic tires is the fact that you're not going to get it flat. So overall, I'm going to say that the scooter did a pretty good job. It actually exceeded my expectations considering the price of this thing. So that's the number one thing here. So when I'm reviewing scooters, I definitely consider price, and the fact that this is a sub $400 scooter that sometimes goes on sale and is much cheaper than that, I think it did pretty good. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.